Welcome back! Today we'll learn colors and basic concept kanjis, very useful in daily conversations. These kanjis are simple, visual, and easy to remember. Let's begin. Our first kanji is shiro, meaning white. The kanji of shiro originally comes from the pictograph of the sun. In ancient scripts, people added a small stroke or dot inside or above the sun shape to emphasize brightness and shining light. This extra mark represented the idea of light being very intense and visible, almost glowing. Over time, this strong brightness came to symbolize purity, clarity, and whiteness. In nature, when something reflects a lot of light, like sunlight or snow, it appears white. That is why shiro became associated with the concept of white. Something bright, clean, and pure. The readings of this kanji are haku, byaku, shiro, shira. Examples of shiro: shiroi, white color. Hakuba, white horse. Hakushi, white or blank paper. Omoshiroi, interesting. Hakken, platinum. Next kanji is kuro, meaning black. The kanji kuro comes from the idea of burning materials and producing soot or charcoal. The top part represents a container, chimney, or enclosed space, while the bottom part represents fire. When something is heated or burned inside a container, it produces smoke and soot, which are black in color. In ancient times, black color was closely associated with burnt objects, ash and charcoal. Because of this, the kanji developed to represent darkness, blackness, and things that have been burned or charred. So visually and conceptually, kuro shows the process of burning, resulting in black color. The readings of this kanji are koku, kuro. Examples of kuro: kuroi, black color. Meguro, Meguro city in Japan. Kokuban, blackboard. Kuro kumo, dark or black clouds. Makuro, pitch black. Mini quiz number 1. Which kanji represents white? The correct answer is C. Shiro. Next kanji is akai, meaning red. The kanji of akai represents the color of heated earth or glowing material. It is made from the kanjis of earth and fire. When earth, clay, or metal is exposed to strong heat, it begins to glow red, like lava or hot iron. In ancient times, people observed this natural phenomenon. When something is extremely hot, it turns reddish in color. This became the basis for the kanji. So, akai visually represents the transformation caused by heat, producing the color red, linking it to warmth, fire, and energy. The readings of this kanji are 赤尺、赤。Examples of akai. Akai, red color. Aka-chan, baby. Aka shingo, red signal. Sekido, equator. Makka, bright red. Next kanji is aoi. Meaning blue or green. The top part looks like a growing plant or sprout, symbolizing life and growth. The bottom part often represents the body or a natural element. Together, the kanji expresses the idea of something fresh, alive, and natural, like young plants, clear skies, or unripe fruits. In ancient Japanese, there was no strict distinction between blue and green, so this kanji was used for both colors. Even today, traffic lights use this kanji to refer to green signal. The readings of this kanji are sei, sho, ao. Examples of aoi. Aoi, blue color. Seinen, young man. Aozora, blue sky. Aomori, Aomori city in Japan. Aoshingo, green light. Mini quiz number 2. Which kanji represents blue? The correct answer is B. Aoi. Next kanji is en, meaning circle or yen. The kanji comes from the older form, which clearly showed a round enclosure. This represented a circle or something perfectly round. Over time, the kanji was simplified into this, but the meaning remained the same. Because ancient coins in Japan were round in shape, this kanji came to be used for currency, yen. The readings of this kanji are en, maru. Examples of en. En, yen. Senen satsu, 1,000 yen bill. Enkei, round or circle shape. Ennai, within the circle. Endaka, appreciation of the yen or strong yen. Next kanji is nagai. Meaning long. The kanji of nagai originally depicted a person with long flowing hair. In ancient times, long hair was a visible symbol of length and extension. The shape of this kanji shows something stretching downward, like hair growing longer over time. Because of this visual, the kanji came to represent the concept of length, duration, and extension. Not just physical length, but also time, long time, and status, leader, head person. Thus, nagai evolved to mean long, leader, or chief. The readings of this kanji are cho, naga. Examples of nagai. Nagai, long, kosho, principal. Shacho, company president. Chojo, eldest daughter. 成長 growth. Mini quiz number 3. Which kanji means long? The correct answer is B. 長い. Next kanji is 短い. Meaning short. This kanji is made from the kanjis of arrow and bean. The arrow represents direction and movement, while the bean represents something small or limited in size. Together, they give the idea of something that does not extend far or is limited in length, hence short. This kanji shows the concept of reduced length or small extent. The readings of this kanji are 短 短 Examples of 短い 短い short 短期 short term 短小 weak point 短文 short sentence 短時間 short time. Next kanji is 高い meaning high or expensive. This kanji represents a tall building or elevated structure. The top part looks like a roof, while the middle and lower sections represent the structure and base, giving the impression of height. In ancient times, tall buildings were rare and impressive, so height became associated with importance and value. Because of this, the meaning expanded from physical height to high status to expensive. The readings of this kanji are 高 taka. Examples of 高い 高い expensive or high 高校 high school 最高 the best 高さ height 高級 high quality. Mini quiz number 4. Which kanji means expensive or high? The correct answer is C. 高い. Next kanji is 安い meaning cheap or safe. This kanji is made from the kanjis of roof and woman. In ancient culture, a woman safely inside a home symbolized peace, stability, and security. This peaceful situation came to represent the idea of being safe, calm, and relaxed. Later, the meaning extended to include cheap or inexpensive, because something affordable gives a sense of ease or relief. So the kanji connects emotional and physical safety. Safe home, calm mind, inexpensive, no burden. The readings of this kanji are 安 yasu. Examples of yasui 安い cheap 安全 safe 安心 relief 不安 anxiety 安定 stability. Next kanji is oi, meaning many. This kanji shows the idea of repetition and abundance. It is formed by repeating similar shapes, indicating that something is more than one, multiple or many. In ancient writing, repetition was a simple way to express quantity. Instead of writing numbers, people visually showed more by repeating symbols. Thus, this kanji naturally came to represent plurality, abundance, and large quantity. The readings of this kanji are ta, o. Examples of oi. Oi, many. Tabun, probably. Tasu, large number. Tabo, very busy. Tamoku teki, multi-purpose. Mini quiz number 5. Which kanji means many? The correct answer is B, oi. Excellent work! You've learned important kanjis for colors and basic concepts. These are used every day in Japanese. In the next video, we'll practice using them in sentences. See you soon!